Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And so for today's video we are vlogging and I am really excited because I just got home from work and I have a package in the mail, and so I placed an order on Sephora because it was Sephora's like VIB sale, and I was gonna go in store and order everything, but I just figured it'd be easier to do it online in case of my Sephora didn't have everything that I needed, and I was just gonna end up ordering online anyways. And so I placed an order and it's finally here, and so I'm gonna do a little mini unboxing for you guys. I'm so excited. Also, let me share with you guys what I'm wearing today because I think it's so cute. I love this sweater so much, you guys, and I always forget about it. Okay, so this is the outfit that I wore today. I am obsessed with my sandals and I'm so happy that it is warm enough again to start wearing these because they're like my favorite things ever. And so my sweater is from Francesca's and I love it because in the back it's like open. You can't really tell, but like in the back it's like crossed and open and super cute. I really like it. And then I just kind of like tucked it in at the front. My jeans are from American Eagle, and then these are my Steve Madden like platform sandals that were like so popular that literally everyone got them, but they are so comfortable, you guys, and so I'm so happy to finally like start being able to wear them again because it's warm outside. And yeah, so that was my outfit today. But anyways, I'm going to open up my Sephora package. I remember what I got, but like also I don't at the same time, and so I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this. I'm going to be making a TikTok unboxing it, so definitely follow me on TikTok if you guys haven't already, but I'm gonna go ahead and film that TikTok and then I will share with you guys what I picked up. Alright, so I'm gonna do my little unboxing. Like I said, I filmed a TikTok about it, so definitely follow me on TikTok if you guys haven't already. But unfortunately, the VIB sale is already over by the time you guys are watching this, but definitely sign up, become a rewards member. It's completely free and you get so many like perks throughout the year. The two major sales are always in November and like April, so stay tuned for that. And then I do know towards like the end of the year, like in December, they pretty much always do like a 15 or 20 off of like 100 or something like that. So they always have good deals throughout the year, so definitely if you're not a member, you're missing out. So I love the sale because I like to restock on products that I go through quickly, like my everyday makeup products, just because since I am using them every day, I go through them quickly, or if I realize I'm about to be out of a product, I will go ahead and purchase it during the sale just because they're products that like I'm already gonna need to buy, so I might as well buy them like at a discounted rate. And so the first product that I needed was the Anastasia Beverly Hills, their Brow Wiz. This is like my favorite brow product ever. It's so thin, it's so precise, and so I really like it. And I'm in the shade Chocolate. And then another restock item that I needed was the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This is so good, you guys. So this is their super coverage multi-use sculpting concealer, and I'm in the shade Marshmallow, and I really like this because it's so full coverage, but yeah, it's still like lightweight, and this is what it looks like. It definitely is like a very big bottle, but I really like it because if a day that I don't really want to wear foundation, I can just go ahead and put concealer all over my face and it'll still cover me super well. And so it's super full coverage, but yet it's super lightweight at the same time. Like it doesn't feel cakey, and so absolutely love this. And then I used to be a person where I didn't really believe in setting spray, didn't really think it worked, but then I decided to, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and give it another try, and I did, and I absolutely fell in love with this product. And I purchased the mini size to test it out, loved it, so I had to repurchase it in the full size. And so this is also from Anastasia, and this is their Dewy Set Setting Spray, and you guys, this stuff is so good. You need it in your life. And I know they have, I think, 3 different scents, but I have the coconut scent, I believe, but I think they have a couple other scents. But this is what the packaging looks like, and it's just so pretty. It's like a gold sparkly bottle. The product isn't this like shimmery, it's just the packaging, but I absolutely love this. It totally works. I can wear my mask like all throughout the day and I'll take it off and like my makeup will not like be smeared or like off my face, and so I definitely notice a difference when I use this, and so you guys need to try it out. It's so good. And then the last thing that I picked up was another restock. I mean, I guess these were all kind of restocks, but I picked up the Laneige lip sleeping mask. This is the best chapstick that I have ever tried in my entire life. It is so good, you guys, and I'm someone where I feel like my lips are always chapped, and I've never found like a really good chapstick until I discovered this, and it's amazing. They have a bunch of different scents, but this time around I got Sweet Candy. I have a mini version of Sweet Candy and I love it. It just smells so good, and so I picked that up. It is the one that comes in like a pot like this. The only downside though is you do have to like stick your finger in it, which is kind of annoying, but it does come with a little like spatula type thingy that you can like dip in here and then put it on your lips, so you're not like using your hands or anything like that. But I love this. It is so good. I got the Sweet Candy scent, and this one smells so good. Like, it just, I love it. It's so good. And so I would probably say I've tested a lot of them. I've tried the Sweet Candy, the berry, and the mint and vanilla, and I've liked all of them. They're all super great scents, but I really like the Sweet Candy, so I'm so excited to start using this because I'm almost all done with my one that's in the scent vanilla. So yeah, that was a little mini Sephora haul for all of you guys, but right now it is about 5:30 and I have a friend coming over at like 6:30, and so I'm gonna go ahead and make some dinner. I think I'm gonna make a Trader Joe's pizza because I haven't had one in a really long time and they're so good, and so I'm gonna go ahead and make all of that, but I will keep you guys posted. All right, you guys, I just made my pizza. I'm super simple and I just like cheese on my pizza, and so I'm just waiting for the oven to finish preheating. It has to preheat to 450, and so I'm just waiting, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put it in. I have a big mess to clean now from making the pizza, and I'm currently watching Lindsay Hughes, watching her newest video that she just posted today, and so I'm gonna go ahead and clean up this mess and just keep watching her video. So my pizza is currently cooking in the oven, and so while it cooks, I'm just going to have a little snack, and I love getting like these little pre-cut fruits from Publix, and I particularly love this one because it has like all my favorite fruits in it, and so it has strawberries, pineapple, and then like the tangerine type of fruit. Is that what they're called? Tangerines? I don't know. Like this fruit. But it's like my favorite. It's like my 3 favorite fruits, and so I love getting these, and so I'm just gonna go ahead and snack on this while my pizza is in the oven because I am starving and I didn't really have lunch today, and so yeah, I want a little fruit. So I just took my pizza out of the oven. It looks so good, you guys. I'm so excited to eat it. I am so hungry, but I'm gonna go ahead and let it cool off for a little bit before I start cutting into it, and my friend should be here like any minute right now, and so they're gonna come over and I'm gonna go ahead and eat my pizza. And so yeah, I just wanted to update you guys, and I will see you guys in a little bit. Hello guys, so it is the next day. It is now Wednesday morning and I'm just finishing up getting ready for work. I just made my coffee, you guys, and I'm doing such a throwback with my cup. So this is literally from the 1989 World Tour by Taylor Swift, which I think was in like 2015. Yeah, 2015. So I've had this cup for so long, but it's one of my only like to go like travel cups, and so I was just feeling like being Taylor Swift today. And so yeah, I am just going to finish getting ready. I'm actually running, I mean, I'm not running late. I always like get paranoid that I'm gonna be late to work, even though I literally live like a minute away from work and like it's fine, but I always like get paranoid. So I'm about to just get my bag ready and head off to work. Hello guys, so I'm currently editing the vlog that you guys are watching right now, and I realized that I never finished off the vlog, so here I am to end the video. So Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video, and definitely subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video.